I just still don't understand why people keep insisting on putting their water heater in the crawl space. Look at that. That is, they dug that all out. Look at that. They threw all the dirt right there. Look at this. That's terrible, man. Wow. I don't know, man. You guys tell me how you feel about this, because I am 100% sure that there's another place in the house we can stick this thing. This is horrible. You can see the leak already. It's dripping down there some. This ain't gonna last long. God. Well, gotta let the homeowner know.